Hello guys, it's Imran here from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you how to check loaded items in a truck. So for that, we'll hit shipping. We'll go in shipping, and here you see we have loaded trucks. Hit that, and here you can see we have a test truck one, and we'll select that to see what's in there. So here you see that we have a truck loaded with different items. So that's how, and the status is loaded. If you want to unload, you can hit that. But if it is loaded, that's how you check that to confirm that the items are loaded or not. And you can check the rest of the details here. Thank you.